Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the business card mockup with 8 layouts in Photopea. First, go to photopea.com in any web browser, and then just double click Open from Computer to open the mockup. I've already got it open in this tab. We're going to be doing all our work in this Layers panel. So if you don't see the Layers panel, go to Window and then click on Layers to open it up. And then just turn on any of the business card layouts you want to use by clicking the little box or the little eye icon. And then when you've selected the one you want to use, click the arrow next to that layer to expand it. And then you just want to double click the thumbnail icon in the Design-Business Card layer, and that's going to open up the Smart Object where you can copy and paste your design. And then to do that, just go to File, Open, and then find the design in your computer. And it's just going to load for a few seconds. And once it loads, go to Select All, then Edit, Copy, and then click back on the Smart Object tab and go to Edit, Paste. And if you need to resize it, you can do that just by going to Edit, Free Transform, and then just click and drag any of the 4 corners to resize it. And then once you've got it sized, just go to File, Save Smart Object, and then it's just going to let you know when it's updated, and then you can click the X to close it, and click the X to close the original graphics. And you'll see it put your design on the business card just like that. So we'll turn off the guides. Just go to View, Clear Guides. If you wanted to change the color of the business card, you could do that as well. Just double click the thumbnail icon in the Color-Business Card layer. And that's going to bring up the color picker, and click anywhere in the rainbow slider to pick your color, and then click in the gradiated box to change the lightness and darkness of the color. Or if you know color values, you can enter them as well. If you want to adjust the lightness and darkness of the shadows, you can do that by clicking the arrow next to the shadows layer group, and then click on either of the shadows and click the down arrow next to fill, and just drag the slider to the right to make the shadows darker, or the left to make them more subtle. And depending on which mockup you purchase, you may have different backgrounds. You just click the arrow next to backgrounds, and then click on the eye icons to cycle through the different backgrounds. You could also add your own backgrounds. All these backgrounds are in separate layers, so you can just copy and paste in your own background if you want to. So you have lots of different options. You could make a lot of mockups from just this one mockup. And when you're all ready, you can save it. If you want to use this as a thumbnail online, you'll want to save a version as a JPEG. So to do that, just go to File, Export as JPEG. And if you'd like a layered PSD with your design in it, you come back here again and go to File, Save as PSD. And that's all there is to adding your design to the business card mockup with 8 layouts in Photopea. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like, subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.